Hello lab rats, Dino here. Now, quite a lot of you have probably seen the animations where people have put like spectral analyzers and spectrographs and that sort of thing on their videos. Yeah, I'm talking about the little lines that go up and down. Now, if I'm like you and I want to have a visualization of me speaking like I am to you right now, and all you've got is a black screen at this point, don't fear. We can do that. And we can actually do that with a free program called FFMPEG. Okay, so here's the website for FFMPEG. You can see it on your screen and some of the details therein. It is incredibly boring to read, but very, very helpful if you need to know something. There is a wiki page. The guys over at Wiki make life a lot easier. However, here's the download links. A download link. I managed to get that earlier from FFmpeg. You just click on the download button. It's going to take you here. You select your version of Windows or Windows, Mac, whatever you have, Linux. Boom, it's going to take you there. Download the latest one. You'll get it in a zip file. Copy that zip file out, and you're going to put it into a folder that looks like this. So what we're going to do, we're going to make this nice and clear and clean. We have, I'm going to get rid of the spatial command, you don't need that. Right, what we have here is we have FFmpeg, we have a file courtesy of Google's Sounds, so thank you Google for your audio library, that's brilliant, for free. We have an output file, and we have our editing command line. This command line is going to tell our system what to do with the audio in this case. So it is just audio. This is a podcast style recording really, but you are hearing it through OBS. Could be a bit interesting in a moment when we try to actually sync the two up and see what happens. Obviously at the moment you can't see me, and all you're seeing is the waveform we are literally creating right now. So we're going to click File, you right click, you click New, and you basically enter in this detail. I have put pause on this, and I have put the command line in the description below, so you don't have to type it out, you can just copy it and away you go. You just change your name here of your MP3, MP4, wave file, whatever you need to put in there, whatever you've recorded, this will remake it for us, or it should do. I haven't tried it with video files yet. I will do in a moment. Now, so we've got this, we've clicked this all through, we've clicked save, and I've got it down as test.bat because it's a test. The reason for the pause button, the file where it exists, we're going to click yes. The reason for the pause button is here. It won't actually show you what the output is, what's happened, what is telling you there is a problem, isn't a problem. Maybe there's not a problem. In this case, there is no problem. The world's lovely. Not always though, is it? So let's now click our lovely file. And there we go. We have now got a waveform with the audio attached, of course, but we have a waveform with the audio. Now, you put that through your editing software, and you can import it into OBS. You've got your visualizer for a pre-recorded session. Obviously, if you already have OBS installed and you're going to record your session, use the audio spectralizer that is available in the OBS system. There is one you can download, and that works quite well. It's very different to that. It's a bar graph, but this is to help you guys out and me, because I forgot to actually record the video because I'm an idiot, to a previous video and thought I'd make this one instead. I'm that much of an idiot, I've just hit my desk. I'm not editing that out either. So there we go guys, that is the state of play. You can see a lot of things on here. Hopefully that has helped one or more of you out with what you've got going on, and hopefully it now has a nice simple way of getting a spectrograph or some form of spectral waveform going on in your videos that you can just go, right, I've done this, bang, and you can do the whole video. So there you go. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you get notified when we go live. Until next time, this is Dino signing off. Take care, be safe. Bye for now.